Hey friends, welcome to World Expo YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel if you're not yet subscribed. Ireland is promising to fill its pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai with the sounds and sights that epitomize the spirit of the country. Children aged 7 to 17 will be invited to learn computer coding in classes provided by Coder Dojo, a global volunteer-led community that provides free programming workshops for young people. St. Patrick's Day is expected to be a highlight, with organisers planning lively celebrations, including a guest appearance by Martin Hayes, one of Ireland's most revered traditional musicians. Ireland's theme for Expo 2020 Dubai is putting creativity at the center of human experience in the 21st century. The Pavilion, which is in the Mobility District, draws inspiration from classical Western and Islamic architectural traditions, with an enclosed element and a cloistered courtyard. Upon entering the pavilion, visitors will step into the Oculus Room, a space with a distinctive cone-shaped funnel based on the Newgrange light box, meaning sunlight enters through the skylight at the top of the cone, lighting up the main exhibition space. The courtyard area will be where visitors are encouraged to relax and enjoy regular music performances from the Expo players, the pavilion's in-house ensemble. The musicians, who work on rotation, will introduce visitors to Irish music, its history, instruments and stories. They will also create their own interpretations of songs from the Irish songbook, and reveal the background to, and history of, the songs. Pat Hennessy, Commissioner General of the Ireland Pavilion, said the aim is to celebrate Irish creativity in all forms. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.